All right, good day. My name is Victor Ekweme, and welcome to my Excel series part two. In the last video, we did some introduction, and in this video, we're going to continue on where we're going to recap and then move another step forward. The reason why I'm doing this is because in the last video, after the last video, somebody gave a comment that they could not hear my screen reader in the background. I was trying to explain it of what my keystrokes were, but I think if they hear the screen reader speak in the background, then they may follow a lot better. And that's actually making these videos for screen reader users, which are blind, visually impaired, and low vision users. Okay, so we are using Excel and we press the Windows key, which is two keys to the left of your spacebar on most laptops.
Start window. Search window.
So start
Search
Windows,
box edit
search
blank.
window,
EXCEL.
Excel,
Find Excel.
Excel, right?
Excel.
So it has given us feedback that it's Excel, but we're not hearing any book one or book three sheet. So we type Control N.
Sheet 1 table. A 1.
So that's A1. You can see it says sheet one table A1.
A 2.
I'm pressing the down arrow. We're going to A2.
A 3.
I'm pressing down arrow again. We go to A3.
B3. C3.
I'm pressing the what do you call it? The right arrow. I'm going to C3. Now remember the last video. If you press Control Home,
A 1.
it goes back to A1. So those are the cells: A1 cell,
B1.
B1 cell,
C1.
C1 cell.
B1. A 1.
So I'm going back to A1. Now remember in the last video I told you that there were so many rows. So there are
A 104. 8576.
1,048,000 rows, 576, 48,576 rows, right? 1,048,576 rows.
A 1.
And there are
XFD1.
XFD1 columns. XFD1, that's too massive, really. Remember the columns I said it goes from A to Z to B to Z. I'm sorry, A to Z, AA to AZ, BA to BA to BZ, CA to CZ, something like that.
A 1.
All right, so now we're back on A1, and in the last video we're making our daily records of our weights, right? And remember I told you that there are four types of data. There's data, numeric data, text data, and then formulas. We'll get into formulas in a future video. So let's start again.
A. T. E.
I'm typing date and I press enter.
Sheet 1 table. A 2.
So you see it goes to A2 when I press enter after typing date.
Date A1.
So date A1.
B1.
So
Edit W.
I can type
E.
weight.
I. G. A. T. 8. Left paren. K. G. KG.
Now I can
Right
press
paren.
tab or enter, whichever one suits you.
Sheet 1 table. C1.
So if I press tab, it goes to C1, it goes to the next um cell on the right.
Weight left paren. KG right paren. B1.
I want to back to
Date
B1
A1.
and date A1. So it tells you the date and what cell you're in.
Weight left paren. Date A1.
Date A1. Okay.
A 2.
Now on A2, so we're going to use the date.
Edit 2. 0 2. 6. 0 26 0 6 0 2 2. Sheet 1 table.
I pressed
A
enter.
3. 2026 slash 06.22 overflowing A2.
Oops, did I do that well?
A 3. 2026 slash 06.22
No,
overflowing
no, I
A2.
put point, so it didn't turn it, it didn't change it.
Edit 2. 0 2. 6. 0 26 0 6 0 6 2 2. Sheet 1 table. 6 slash 22 slash 2026 A2.
Yeah, so it's changed it to 6/22/2026. And then that's the date. So I like to put the year first, the month, and then the day. But Excel is formatted to change it to the month first, the day second, and then the year last. Okay,
A 3.
it's intelligent enough to know that that is the date, because of the structure in which I put it in.
Edit 2. 0 2. 6 0 26 0 6 0 6 2 3. Sheet 1 6 slash 23 slash 2026 A3.
So we have the 23rd of June on A3
6 slash 22 slash 2026
and the
A2.
22nd of June on A 2.
B2.
So on B2, remember in the last video I said I
Edit
was
1.
100 kg?
0.
I'm actually heavier in real life. But let's just say I'm 100. I'm 6'5" actually. So, but I think my BMI would suggest that I should be 100 kg. Okay. That's-
Sheet 1 table.
So on the
B3.
23rd of June, I fictitiously reduced my weight
Edit 9. 8.
to 98 kg.
Sheet 1 table.
So
B4.
we did some other things, but let's save as. So your original, we can press Control S to save because we've not saved the document before, to save the document as a file name, because right now it's not saved. But the more accessible way to save a document the first time would be to press F12. So press F12 on your keyboard. That's the function key, F12.
Save as dialog.
So you can hear it
File
says
name colon.
save as
Combo box collapsed.
dialog. If I press Shift and Tab,
Items view list.
it goes
Access tech innovation.
it goes to my documents, I think
Tree
on the,
view. Level 2 documents left paren. Level 1 start of quick access dash desktop left paren.
so I'm going to
Pinned right.
desktop.
Items view list.
I press
Excel videos
Tab
not selected 1 of 3.
to go back to my list of files
BG chess challenge
and
help 2 of 3.
folders.
Excel videos 1 of 3.
So I've created a folder called Excel videos. It's good to create folders. I've created a folder, Excel videos. I'm in the folder, and then you can, if I press up and down, right and left, nothing's happening. I'm not hearing any feedback. So I press Tab.
Items view list. Name split button collapsed sorted left paren. Ascending right paren.
So that's the split. We don't want to go there.
File name colon. Combo box collapsed. Edit alt plus.
So we're trying
F.
to hear the file
Selected
name, and
BG chess challenge help.
that's what we're trying to get. So what is there?
Blank.
We're removing
Selection
it,
removed.
and we're going to say
Cap.
daily
DAILY. Daily. Cap. EIGAT. Wait.
weight
Cap ECLRDS.
records. If I press the tab key,
Save as type colon. Combo box Excel workbook collapsed alt plus.
so you can
T.
see it says save as type column, Excel workbook. There are different things.
Expanded.
I'm expanding it by pressing the down arrow.
Save as type colon. List. Excel macro dash enabled
So
workbook.
it's a macro
Excel
workbook,
binary workbook.
binary workbook,
Excel 97 2003 workbook.
97 2003 workbook. That's the legacy workbook for the old Excel. But let's go back up.
Excel macro dash Excel workbook.
Excel workbook. So choose that. And then
Save as dialog.
save as
File
dialog.
name colon.
Just to
Combo
make
box
sure that
collapsed.
we chose,
Save as type colon. Combo box Excel workbook collapsed alt plus.
yes, so that's we
T.
chose that Excel save as type. That's the type.
File name colon.
So
Combo box
file
collapsed.
name, and we press enter.
Book 3 dash Excel. Sheet 1 table. B4.
So for screen reader users, if you want to know if you want to just confirm the name of your Excel file, you say NVDA key plus T.
Daily weight records dash Excel.
Daily weight records, that's Excel. Okay, so that's the name of the Excel file. All right. So now let's do some other things to this file.
98 B3. 100 B2. Weight left paren. KG right. Date A1.
So I'm back to date A1. I want to bold the headings of our table, our small table. So I I'm on A1, I press the shift key and the right arrow.
A 1 day through B1 weight left paren. KG right paren. Selected row
So
1
that
column
has
1.
selected
Quick analysis
the
available.
two columns. I now press Control B.
Bold on. Bold on.
So the bold is now on. So I have bold on, which you heard the feedback. I go back to A1.
Date A1.
I'm on A1 cell, which is date. Now, but when you go back to A1, it doesn't tell you that it's bolded anymore, even though you know that it's bolded. But just to make sure, there's a key, an NVDA key for this. People who can see will know that it's bolded, right? But people who can't, not sure, you want to know. So there's a NVDA key for that. That's NVDA plus F.
Style normal aptus narrow 11.0 PT black on white bold align general vertical align bottom.
So you have to listen carefully because you see you hear bold aligned in that. Let me play it again. So that NVDA plus F.
Style normal aptus narrow 11.0 PT black on white bold align general vertical align
So you
bottom.
can see it has this bold align there. If I go to
Weight left
100,
100 B2.
right, and I press the same key, you won't hear the bold there. NVDA plus F.
Style normal aptus narrow 11.0 PT black on white align general vertical align bottom.
You see general, this align general. So you can see that the bold is not spoken out in that particular cell. All right. So to save our changes, In this case, we don't need to press F12 anymore. We just press Control S.
Save.
So subsequent changes, we just say save. So you can hear NVDA would give you the feedback save with Control S. Now, if I want to close this worksheet, I can now press Control W and the workbook actually is actually the workbook.
Excel.
So it goes back to Excel. So it goes back to Excel. So now we want to open our workbook, our Excel workbook. You could press Control O, which is a standard way of doing things, but we want the legacy way, which is Control and F12, function F12, yeah?
Open dialog file name colon. File name colon.
So it
Combo
says
box
open
collapsed.
dialog.
Items view list. Name split button collapsed sorted left parent. Daily weight records not selected not checked one selected checked.
So daily weight records, I press the down arrow key to select it.
Daily weight
Press
records
enter.
dash Excel. Sheet 1 table. 100 B2.
So you can see it's back. Our workbook is back. All right. So that's all for this video. Please like and subscribe. We're going to do more things as we go on. I just want to take each video step by step. And thank you very much for tuning in and watching. And we'll learn more cool things with Excel.